Hi guys. Today I'm gonna make bibigo mandu. I bought this one in the Asian mart. It's very close to my hotel where I'm staying now. And my girl who is from Korea, I was asking, it's like, hello, excuse me, are you from Korea? Then she said, yeah, I'm Korean. Then we talked. Is it okay by using microwave instead of oven? Because I don't have an oven in my room. So I just asked her, I don't want to burn my house again. And she told me how to make it using microwave, not oven. I don't even know how to use oven. Oh yeah, I actually have an oven, but I haven't used it before. I don't think it works. Yeah, anyway. She told me if I want to buy using microwave, I have to cut like, but I didn't understand how can I don't know in English, by the way. I have to put some water in the mandu, but I don't actually understand 100% for where can I put the water in the dishes or just inside in here. I don't really get it. Still, I don't really get it. Anyway, but yesterday I made it successfully. So since yesterday, I have the confidence to make mandu for my meals. So I bought it again, and now I'm gonna make mandu for today's breakfast. I know this isn't breakfast properly because it's already, it's already 4 o'clock, but it's still breakfast for me. Sorry, I'm quite stubborn person. You guys know Brooklyn Nine-Nine season 7 is on Netflix now. You should watch it. Best American drama ever. But I'm not sure I can compare with Gossip Girl. Because Gossip Girl was one of my favorite drama as well. So anyway, I'm gonna cut a little bit. Smells just really nice. First of all, you should put on the old dumpling and on the dish. Don't forget the one. And I need to cut it down. I'm such a bad cook, so hopefully this video. Yeah, it's like this. Apparently, at least I understand like that, but my friends told me it isn't right way to cut this. Then I can just put it this side and then cut again. I don't want to use it to cut that in the hotel because it looks dirty. I didn't have any choice, so just cut. Do you think I'm wrong? I know it seems like wrong, but taste is amazing. I'm never wrong. Do you guys understand like 십자가 만두에? How? But the girl who I met in the supermarket, she was very nice. I was just talked to her randomly. She was very kind. Yep. That's all. Looks yummy, doesn't it? I know. I should have put on the water on the plate. Oh. Drink. This is really cold water because it was in the fridge. So, but I wanna try it. A bit. Not a bit. Quite enough. Yeah, I think it's enough. My friends told me putting on the water is very important. Dumpling shower time. Do you think it's the right way? Exactly what she said to me. No one knows. wanna just try again because it was so delicious. It could be my breakfast, it could be my lunch, it could be my dinner as well. Then the most dangerous thing, to use microwave. First I've set up like 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna keep watching it, and I'm gonna keep smelling it. And I bought this one as well, kimchi 신라면. I thought it's like a 새우탕. Looks like 새우탕, doesn't it? It's written 신라면, kimchi 신라면. Everywhere is kimchi. I like kimchi though. But this one for dumpling is not kimchi because it's hot spicy chicken. This is a 3rd gram. A 300 gram is 3.95 euro. If you buy 400 gram or 500 gram, it's gonna be more than 6-7 euros. So I bought this one because I love this taste, and the gram, the amount of dumpling is enough for me, I reckon. Anyway, I have a sore throat. I've been sick for past 2 days, 3 days maybe, and even my tongue really hurts. Okay. Looks good. Yeah? Turn around. The other side. Upside down. Now I can know the water is very important. Getting soft. But I think it's inside it's not that warm. The day when I almost burnt my house, I couldn't smell it at all. How am I gonna use microwave again in my flat? I'm really worried about that. I posted a story on my Instagram. One of my Brazilian friends asked me, "Are you COVID-19?" And I said, "Luckily, I'm not a COVID-19. Be honest, I'm really bad at reading. It's like English articles or newspaper. I can understand at all. Mostly, I don't understand it. So I just wanted to try to read article more and more. A year ago, I took a class like English reading class. He was a British teacher. We discussed a lot about abortion, about just like a hot topic in the world. I had to watch BBC. I had to read an article. There's so many topics which I didn't really get it, but I studied a lot. Like translate, I needed to present for everyone every week. Yeah, it's enough. And what did I say again? Yes, the news reading class, it was really helpful, but it was the most difficult class in my entire university life. I just pour. See, I'm gonna eat. For me, this is so spicy. Can you see the spicy level? It's a 4 out of 5. Maybe 2 is just enough. Probably I forgot how spicy it was. But it's getting used to it. Cheers. Cheers for the girl who I met in the market. She literally saved my life. Thank you. I love it. What if I can't eat all of them? How can I keep it? Baby, put it in here again. Do you reckon it's gonna be possible? I'm not a huge fan of spicy food actually. The maximum spicy level is up to 신라면. Sweating. I'm full. I'm just gonna keep it for my dinner again. For a couple of days, I'm gonna eat mandu, only mandu. If you live alone, you should try it exactly the same way with me, alright? Yeah, anyway, this is my breakfast, lunch, dinner. I've eaten once for a day, so it's not a big deal. Thank you for watching my video that I made weird dumpling. Thank you, 비비고. Thank you for my subscribers. Bye.